Hello students, welcome to our school YouTube channel. We are here with some teaching tutorials so that you can learn from your home during this lockdown period. So without delaying or without making any late, let's start our first unit. Our first unit is we and our society. So in this unit, we are going to learn about evolution of society, origin of society, and the stage of society development and importance of society. So let's begin now. First one is evolution of society. The relation between human and society is very close. Society does not exist without individuals. So we human beings need society for existence and for survival. Thus we call man is a social animal. The ultimate goal of society is to promote good and happy life for its individual. Society and individual are mutually dependent. One exists with the help of other. So we cannot imagine the society without human beings, and human beings cannot survive without society. Also, man can never develop its personality, culture, tradition by living outside the society. So hence we can say there exists a great role of close relation between man and society. So we can say society and man are closely interrelated, closely interconnected, and interdependent. So that's why for the survival, for the existence, and the needs to be get fulfilled, we need society. So hope you understood the evolution of society. Now next move to the next chapter. Sorry, next point. Origin of society. So how was the origin of group and even the alone as well? At that time they used to do or depend on at that time they used to depend on animals for food, roots for the fruit. They used to eat the root of different plants in the forest. Also they used to live in caves under the trees like animal. But as the time passes, they gradually started to rear animals and cultivating crops. They also started to make shelter, which became later permanent shelter. So in this way, they started to improve their living standard. They started to live in the group. They started to share the things among the people. So we can say slowly their life became more easy and more comfortable. Next one, stage of society development. So here are the stage of society development. I have discussed one by one, so you can look here. First one is Stone Age. So in this age, people used to live a primitive life. They used to live in caves and under the trees. They used to make the weapons from the stone to hunt the animal. So during the Stone Age, we can say the life was full of risks because there was a high chance of getting attacked by the wild animal. So in order to make their life safe from the wild animal, they started to build the shelter. So we can say in Stone Age, there was they have to struggle very hard for the survival. So life was very difficult and full of trouble in Stone Age. So you can see in the pictures too how the peoples are working, and you can also imagine from the pictures how was the age during the Stone Age. Now the next one is animal rearing age. As the time passes, they enter into the animal rearing age. They learned about the importance of animal rearing age. They learn to rear the animal for the various purposes, like for the transportation, for food, for carrying the load from one place to another. So you can see in the pictures too. Next is agriculture age. So later they come to know about the importance of agriculture age. So they started to do the cultivation of different crops and vegetables. So rather searching the fruits and roots in the jungle, they started to do the agriculture. They focused more on agriculture and they divided the work among them, where the men used to work in the field and female used to look after the children and home. You can even see in the pictures the people are working together in the field. Next one is industrial age. So industrial age is the next stage of society development. Many cottage industries were established. People also started to do the trade by selling the production in the market. They also produced many utensils, many equipment, many materials, metal related instrument, so that which makes the people life more easy. So we can say in industrial age, the society became more advanced, and industrial age is one of the developed age in compared to animal rearing age and the stone age. So you can see in your picture, these all are the industries, some of the cottage industry and factories are here. Next one, we have scientific age. It is the current and more advanced age or stage of society. Many inventions and many discoveries were made. People became more creative and more innovative. People came out with new ideas, with new skills. So they discovered many scientific equipments in the scientific stage. The world has become small global village. We all get the information of around the world by sitting inside a single room. So this is all possible because of scientific age or scientific state. So we can say in scientific age, people life has been changed from primitive life to the advanced life. So scientific age is one of the most advanced stage of society development. Here are the pictures of some of the scientific invention done during the scientific age. Next one is importance of society. So obviously we live in the society because society has some importance. Without any importance, people cannot do anything. People don't do anything. So here are the some of the importance of society. First one is it provides mutual understanding and cooperatives. Obviously, we live in the society, many different person of different races, religions live. So we need to have mutual understanding among them, and we should cooperate with them in order to stay in a peace. And also next point is it makes us feel secure and protected. It fulfills our needs and demands. It also helps us to achieve the goal or aim of our life. Also, it helps to promote our tradition, cultures, and norms. Obviously, now, if we are in society, not only a one racist person, not only a one tradition following person, not only a one religious person live, but many religions following person lives, many tradition following person lives. So society is one of the best place to promote our tradition and culture, and even to explore our tradition and culture. Next one is it makes us united. Obviously, whenever there is any festival or occasion in the society, we all go together and celebrate it. And whenever there is any needs and difficulties, so we all get together and help each other. So it makes us united. I hope, students, you all understood this lesson. So these all are the importance of society. Tomorrow or after some days, I'll be back with the next lesson. Till then, I request all the students to study well in your home and stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Thank you.